Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Look Fantastic beauty unboxing for you. You know the deal. Alright, so let's open up and let's see what's inside. Of course, what do you think is inside? I was going to say they have a bit more tissue paper. No, it's still just one tissue paper. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Wow, this is crazy. This is, I hope, the free gift with it, because you should not sell these. This is the Alien Hypersense perfume, and I just last week placed an order on Sephora and I got this one as a sample. It's really good. I have it on my wish list already. It smells amazing. Alright, so we have the card, which is nice. So let me open that one up immediately and then we'll see what the pamphlet looks like. Hold on, it's loading. There you go. Shady Fantastic Feeling. Okay, we're gonna start off with this one here, the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. Did we not have this one before? I'm sure we did, and not that long ago. So that is what that one looks like. This is 30 milliliters, and I think it's a full size? Oh, it's travel size. Oh damn, okay. So this is, like I said, the travel size, and it's worth over 13 pounds. So obviously if you get the full size, it's more expensive. This luxurious gel cleanser helps to energize the skin for optimum performance. Supercharged with minerals, magnesium, zinc, and copper, and a trio of acids, the advanced formula leaves the complexion looking beautifully revived and rejuvenated. It builds to a soft, rich lather to easily lift away makeup and daily grime without stripping the skin of essential moisture. The deep cleansing action helps to reduce excess oil and minimizes the look of pores for skin that feels rebalanced and invigorated. Use every morning and evening. Massage a pea-sized amount into damp skin with fingertips and add warm water to create a lather before rinsing. So I will definitely use that. I can always use a cleanser. Alrighty, then up next we have a mask. I've just recently done a mask. It's very nice. So I'm happy to have another one. This is the Beauty Pro Squalane. I said how to say it. Nourishing Facial Sheet Mask. It's supposed to nourish and rehydrate skin and diminish fine lines and wrinkles with olive, passion fruit, and orange. It has an anti-aging formula. You have to leave it on for 50 minutes. You can travel with it. It has natural plant ingredients and is paraben-free. And vegan even, as it says in the back. Here we have like the how-to, and even that I don't know how to say it, squalane. Encourages collagen production while olive and passion fruit extract increases hydration and revitalizes to give a natural glow. So I will obviously definitely check that out. Apparently it's a new biodegradable mask and packaging. That is super nice. This is worth £5. This plant-based formula uses olive, passion fruit, organic sweet orange oil, and almond oil to deeply hydrate, replenish, and enrich the skin. This 15-minute squalane treatment smooths the skin, improving texture and reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. This results in dewy skin that looks and feels youthful. The sheet mask is constructed with bamboo fibers, which not only minimize skin sensitivity, but also makes the mask biodegradable. Okay, so far, two things that I can use. It's not like, I'm gonna jinx it. It's not like a beauty tool, like a eyelash curler or a tweezer or whatever it is. Two things I can use, but also two things that is very skincare related. Though I will use this up in 2 goes. This might take me a bit long, but I will definitely use them up, so I'm not mad about it. I'm mad about the coupons that are still laying here, and I will throw them away right now, because, no, just no. Up next, we have, next page, this here. Paradox Volume Spray, Blow Dry Spray. Okay, I will not use that. I don't blow dry my hair. Sometimes in winter, yes, if I have to leave the house and it's still cold outside, yes, but usually I don't. So I will not use that one. It's the Volume Blow Dry Spray Instant Root Lift and Mega Volume. This is written very small. Sustainable, vegan and natural, Irish roots, and I cannot read the rest. Biotech. It has white nettle for ultimate volume by We Are Paradox. I will not open this up. I'm not going to use it. I will put it into the public bookshelf. And last time I had a little bag of just goodies that I haven't used, like foundation samples, another face thing that I didn't use, powder that I haven't used and I haven't touched. I just put everything together and then put it into the public bookshelf, and someone else can use it because I'm not. Alright, so this is the the mask is obviously the full size, and this is the travel size. This is 30 milliliters. and it's worth over £15. Again, depending on what size you buy, it's more expensive. Power with White Nettle, known for its ultimate volumizing action, this 94% natural blow-dry primer helps to minimize drying time and lift from the roots to create big, bouncy, and glossy locks. Hops flower and babasu oil encourage its amplifying effects, whilst cooling peppermint aids root stimulation to awaken the tresses from top to tip. A blend of coconut and argan oils help to protect and moisturize hair follicles, leaving you with a silky soft, frizz-free, and voluminous mane. Actually sounds very interesting, but you also have a lot of things in there. Peppermint, like so much. Hops flower, white nettle, coconut and argan oil, like there's a lot of things in there. I told you I'm not using a blow dryer, but if I would use that, I would just know that my hair would not look as nice as they describe it, because my hair is just, my scalp is very sensitive and it gets dry and oily and no. But hey, maybe someone else can use it. Up next we have this one here. I was literally searching the whole house for body lotion because I ran out of it and I didn't have time to go to the supermarket. And now I have a body lotion. I should have known. So this is the ritual of sakura. We're going to speak Japanese. This sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Magic touch body cream with rice milk and cherry blossom. Oh. We also have some cherry blossoms here. So beautiful to look at. It smells so nice. It's like I drove home yesterday. I went to the flea market. I drove home and you have that whole street that's just full with cherry blossoms. Ah, oh, it's beautiful. It's very warm here. It's 20 degrees in the beginning of April. But you know, seeing those cherry blossoms really lifts up your mood. It smells really good. That smells so amazing. Oh my god. Great, I love it. I love it already, and I will definitely use that one as well. Alrighty, so this is the travel size. What? The travel size? This big? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. It's worth over £8. Offering up to 48 hours of hydration, the brand's best-selling body cream leaves the skin with a fragrant, nourished finish that lasts all day. The moisturizer cocoons the skin in a non-greasy, fast-absorbing veil, rich in antioxidants and vitamin E to moisturize and visibly soften skin. A blend of rice milk and Centella asiatica boasts soothing properties to leave skin feeling supple with a radiant glow, whilst cherry blossom provides a unique, sweet, and luxurious scent. Also, this is apparently vegan-friendly in case anyone is interested in it, and is of 92% natural origin. It smells like it's the typical spring smell. If you have cherry blossoms in your street, or if you drive past them, you know, just know. And I love walking the dog and then just getting a whiff of cherry blossom and just flowers in general, man. It's like, as soon as the days get longer and the sun is out and the temperatures rise, you just feel better. Next, oh god. I should have known. The glove, picture perfect makeup blender. It's a beauty blender. I'm not gonna use it. You just know. So this is worth £10. Is the full size. This custom makeup sponge is not only designed for applying liquid cosmetics such as foundation or concealer, but also for contouring the face with bronzer, blush, or your favorite powder. The flat part of the sponge allows for even application of concealer under the eyes, whilst the tip encourages flawless makeup in areas that require more precision, such as the corners of the eyes or on the wings of the nose. So I will once again not open this up. I might try to sell this one. So yeah, this is actually the beautiful purchase. This is actually the freebie that you get along with it. It smells so good. Like if you know the typical alien perfume, it smells like that, but just different, but still the same, you know what I mean? Like I said, I have it on my wish list already. Alien Hypersense. Years ago, when Alien first came out, I actually had the perfume, and I repurchased it a couple times because I really like the smell of it. Last but not least, already, but the last product. The Ciate Velvet Skin Cream Blush. Ooh, it's been a while since a cream blush, and the color looks very nice. It's the color Fancy. Okay, so this has apparently a buildable coverage, brightening vitamin C, and hydrating hyaluronic acid. It's perfect to deliver the natural velvet finish you have been waiting for. Oh, that is very small. I only have powder on since I'm doing a Colourpop project pan. I'm not showing too much. This I have that on as a contour / bronzer / blush. Okay, I'm gonna start with a tiny bit. Oh my god. I should have brought the mirror. What am I doing? It looks much more intense in the camera, but it looks nice. And like they said, it is very buildable. Buildable? What have problems with that word? let's go over this side one more time. I'm actually surprised. This is beautiful. Okay. Yes, I'm feeling this one. It's pretty. So like I said, it's Fancy by Ciate. I'm so fancy, you already know. This is the travel size and it's worth over £9. Infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C, this buildable and the blendable, oh my god, liquid blush gives you a subtle sun-kissed glow. The velvety texture allows for smooth application, whilst the pigmented color in shade Fancy gives you an even flush of rose color. So everyone gets the same shade. It's not a either or, you know, like everyone gets this. Alrighty, so that was everything that was in the box. Someone needs to calculate the coincidence of this happening. I literally got this sample, the exact sample, last week, and now I have it again. I'm actually excited for it. Now this one I will not use, and the sponge I will not use. But on that, they're all things that I'm actually looking forward to. You know, last month when we had that chapstick, I'm only going to use it. I will probably try it out in summer, but I'm not really going to use it. This, I'm definitely all going to use. I will get to it, you know, one by one. Whenever I'm done with my current blush, I will go to, you know, but I can use all of these products, so I'm not that mad. It's nice. I wish there was a bit more, like, makeup in there. You know, like, it could be a mascara or a liner or whatever it is. A bit more makeup, not so much skincare. But I'm happy with it. Honestly, I wish there was less beauty tools in, because how many times have we gotten a beauty sponge already? How many times? And how many times have I given it away or sold it or whatever? And I'm not that complaining about this box. It's nice. If they would get rid of the coupons, it would be even better. Get rid of the coupons and give me back the actual pamphlet. I would very much appreciate it. Alright, so then we're gonna continue the collageneration with Elemis. That was rough. Collageneration. Listen to your skin tuition. Oh my god, what is going on? Gen Z? Is it Gen Z? Is it some things that I don't understand? Skin tuition with rituals. A trip down Squall Lane. What? Oh my god, I'm too old for this. What it is and what it does. Glaze blush. So the editor put the sponge and the blush to the test. We use it together and apparently it looked good. The verdict is this Fancy shade is a perfect transitional tone to leave you with an effortless rosy glow. Then you have a LookFantastic and Aspa box with a candle apparently. And then what's coming in? Oh, the Boom Boom cream. The deluxe size, which is 25 milliliters. It's not a lot, but it smells so good. Is it really doing anything to my skin? I don't know. Is it just a placebo effect? Probably, but it smells really good, so I'm super excited. This also smells amazing. Oh, I cannot wait to try that one out. And yeah, that was everything that was in the box. So you probably don't know, but I have a code with them. If you want a box, I think you get $5 off. I'm not really sure. But yeah, that was everything. Let me know if you have ever tried anything of this. I'm 100% sure we had this one before. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you next one.